Hello and welcome to the day 12 of the 100 Days Challenge, where I'll try to build projects in public. 2 days ago, we started with a new project that tries to create automated YouTube shorts based on AI and Reddit posts. Until now, I've shown how we created the part where we scrap or obtain the data from Reddit. Then we also saw how we elaborate a prompt for ChatGPT and we used its API to consume it. Then today I'm going to show you how I get the images and the voice for the videos that then I'll make it. Then if we go back to the code, basically we had something that was able to fetch the subreddit. Also, we had something that was generating um, based on the different posts that had either titles or bodies. It was adding this prompt and basically using the chat completions API to get the script. Then what we did is basically split the script in lines, and for each of those lines, we are going to generate one image and also the text or the voiceover. For the images, we created one new method called images, and there's this generate images for lines where we choose where to put the images, also which is the size of the images. For the short, it's expected to have 1024 per 1792. However, this is a size that it's not supported. So if you try with that, then the API just says that it cannot. So the closest format is this one that I have in here. So that's the reason why we use this one. Then for the video, we'll just adapt it. Then we also ask for which style we want the image and also which is the context of this. With those four parameters, basically, we take the images generate API with the model GPT image one, also the prompt here where we put all the parameters that we mentioned, the size and the number of images that we're going to generate. And basically we write the file and in the place where we add it. We also have this helper method, Slugify, to put the title of the image or the file name as the sentence, but with the proper format for files. Then once we have those images, we also have another method called generate TTS for lines. TTS stands for text to speech. We say that we want to store the outcome here. We want to use this model for the text to speech. They have some others, but they recommend this one. So this is the one we're going to use. Then for the voice, we chose Alloy. Then we can swap to, I think they say they have, I don't remember if they said 4 or 11 different voices, and we want to store it in MP3. Since it's for the shorts, they say that it's the best format so that it's not too expensive. And then basically we log the different things that we created. And here in the bottom, you can see that this is how the script, because actually we are getting here some data, but then we do the post for a specific one that is hard-coded. Then this process would need to be done for the different posts that we choose. But for this one specific one, then we can see that it generates the script here in this script.txt, and then those images are the ones that generate plus these audios. If we go to the script, we can see that here there's these different lines for the script. Then if we go to a random one, we go to this image, we can see that they have something for the OpenAI known for its groundbreaking tool or different ones. So this is different content that is generated based automatically. And here also the audio. So if we want to check this one and we play this, so then the idea would be that once we had all these files, we should put them all together and make a video. Here, I have to mention a couple of things. The first one is that in order to use the image API, I had to verify my account. So we had to share my ID, then also take some photos of my face. And until this was not done, I could not use it. So I don't have the error anymore, but there was an error saying that some APIs are only for verified users. This is the first thing. It just took me 10 to 20 minutes. And since I started until it was done and able to use it, And the other thing is that it has some costs. Here I have a screenshot of how these calls had the different costs. Basically, we can see here on the top that this is the text, so basically zero in total in or less than 1 cent in total. So for the script part, it does not cost anything. However, for the imagery, it costs $2.50. So it means that for one video, it would take $2.50. Let's say that maybe a bit more. Let's put even $3. So we'll need to validate that this actually works, and to do so, I think that I'll follow the approach, but just using it manually. So trying to execute the different prompts that we have in the script and use it from the ChatGPT UI. So this way it's free for me, and prepare, I don't know, mm, 10 to 20 videos, the shorts videos. If they work, then we can use this and automate all this process. If it does not, I don't think I want to spend that much money for one video that it may generate nothing. But yeah, at least we verified that we could generate this content. Then let's see tomorrow how we make it to put all these pieces together. For the moment, manually, I don't want to spend more time automating something that maybe we don't use. And if this works, then we'll see how we put all the pieces together with some Remotion or some other tools. And that's all for today. Let's see what brings tomorrow. Thank you.